have in the county, we will not touch any single cent.
Omuwaziri w'ekibesa Ukur Yattan niga mochire abarayi bali bawukwana bubeko bwatkana n'obutumeki bw'ekibesa ase serikali asikeri atebire buna serikali nigo egusangiririe bango kerarituko na kibesa ekyo nigo kibwate emeroberio eyo kigotumeka gukora ase kera sector imeye serikali okwana chingaki aikera nase umusangiririkano bwo konyora maigeri asaba senator oyogenderete ime ya Naivasha county ya Nakuru nigo bayigateba buna kibesa kya CDF njiri go kyakwenanwa weka ogochika kwabere gokurwegwa kurwase kigambero.
Like now, immediately after election, some leaders were saying that okay, they did not find the coffers were empty, the treasury did not have money. There was only 93 million shillings that was found there, and we find it very really. I don't know whether to sympathize with the situation because there's a lot of ignorance about it. Government does not collect money. Stores in one place, keeps for 1 month, and then distribute after 1 month or after 1 year. We raise revenue on daily basis, and we fund government on daily basis. And there are also then there are competing needs. Salaries at this level, how much do we give to counties? How much do we give to the national, to parliament? How much goes to the judiciary? How much do we